Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 19th, 2021, and we're going to talk about the bearish momentum that's going on in microvision stock. You guys can see we got a price prediction already ongoing in the market for this product. We're going to tell you all where we're expecting the market to go, but before I do, you can join our team. You can join our community in calling the markets. You do that by liking the video, sharing, subscribing, tapping that bell notification so you do not miss out on our predictions that we are harnessing within the stock market. For us, it's simple. We get in position in anticipation of where price is going to go so that we can profit. This is what we're all about. We're here giving you all the play as to where the market is going to go so that we can win and that we can dominate this space against the trap. He is our competitor. He is the one that we have to go against in the markets to ensure that we are winning, to ensure that we are in position to take the bag from him. Now, if you want to join us, we're here. If not, you can join some other YouTube channel to where they are trying to guess their way as to where price is going to go. So now let's talk about our last price prediction into the market in microvision first. Last time we did our price prediction was right there on May 30th, 2021. We played a strength into the market in microvision. And it didn't take long. 2 days into the price prediction, the market in microvision has taken out our ultimate TP price, which is around $19. That garnered us 21.97% profitability. Did he exceed it? He sure did. He has taken the price in microvision all the way up here on June the 10th, 2021 to $24.69. Right? So $21, 22% there. At the high, you could have garnered around 55%. But either way it go, you won. You call the market going in the right direction. You was already in a position. And all you got to do is sit back and wait and let the trap work and bring the price to where you are expecting him to go. So I want to say congratulations to you. I want to say kudos. You did an excellent job. This is how you're able to be more profitable and at best minimize loss, because you are reading what he is laying down on these price charts. So let's take that away. So now the question is, with this bearish momentum that has hit the market in microvision stock, where in the world is this price going to go now? Okay, first things first, you see our two lines on our chart, right? One of them is still applicable, the other one is not. The one that is still applicable in terms of we can utilize it to see where price is going to go is our ascending line. So far, microvision stock in the long term is still in an upward trend. Okay, right? We've been seeing the market in microvision bounce and hold price on that ascending line. Cool. So if you're in this for the long term, you can kind of gaze to where the market will change its overall environment from being bullish to one of being weak. Now this horizontal line here is not even applicable. The price, the last trade price in microvision was around $18, $19. Our support area is around 10. So there's no need for us to keep the line there. We need to move it. Now, where do you think I'm going to move this line? To where we can actually play it and utilize it to our benefit. It was holding support here. Now the market in microvision hit restriction there. So plain and simple, right? This is restriction now in the market in microvision, because the last time the market hit a high on this restriction line was back here on February the 16th, 2021. It hit restriction again on June the 10th. Cool. That is where the market in microvision cannot break price above. So he's not tricking us. He didn't want to take the price above $24 in February, and he still couldn't do it in June. We got it. That area is restriction. Okay. Now, how do we end out the week in microvision? Okay, because it tells us a lot. So this past trading week, the market in microvision had a indication that there wasn't enough interest to come through. Like I told you, the market price couldn't break above $24 there. And how we close on that weekly price bar lets us know as to why the market is still trending lower now. We got a very wide area. Okay, so that doesn't mean that microvision would not go higher. It can. But looking at this on a weekly time frame, what about on the 2 weeks? That is still weakness here too. What about 3 weeks time frame? You're seeing stockpile here on the 3 weeks time frame in the market for microvision. 5 weeks time frame, pretty much the same thing. Okay, so when we look at all these varying time frames, yeah, the market in microvision is weak. We need to see where can the market come through it and hold some support. That's it. There's a shallow area right there around $18. Okay, we can see the price come in and hold up price there at 18. Let's look at this on 3-day time frame. Yeah, right there around 18. Next area will come through between $16.80 back down to 16 even. Okay, yeah, I'd say like 1645, 1650. So let's do this. Now we will come through and TP out first around 18. Okay, that's 4.25%, because we can already tell it's a shallow area of support right there around 18. So as we trade next week, if we see strength come through on $18, we know we need to take the profit and move on, because the market's going to reverse. Instead of going lower, it's going to go higher. We can see that. Now what I'm going to do though, I'm going to take it down like to 1645. Okay, 1635. I can see that also coming through as support too. Okay, but you can still tell, right, that the market is still trading within this ascending triangle. So the trend is still in play of us seeing microvision go higher, right? It's still there. But within that, the market is weak, and we can still play that too and profit into the market of anticipation of seeing the market go lower. That's it. So the long-term view in microvision is, yes, the trend is still high in price, but when you break it down into a daily time frame to a weekly perspective, the market is weak right now. So we're going to play that. We're going to expect the price in microvision to go lower. And since you're now part of our team, our community, take the opportunity out to call the market. This is what we're all about. Get in position and see where price is going to go. Okay, so let us know, where do you think the price in microvision is going to be in the next 2 to 3 weeks? In the next 2 to 3 weeks, where in the world will price be? This is our expectations right there for the next 2 to 3 weeks as to where we're looking for the price to go in microvision. So tell us. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.